Hey, good morning, everybody. Nice morning out here at Talbot Island. So we're out here on the Driftwood Beach. Came out this morning for the sunrise, and we got here an hour before sunrise. That's a good thing we did too, because you can see a lot of clouds. So as soon as we got here, literally an hour before sunrise, the sky, the high level stuff was already like lighting up red. So it looked really good. Good thing we got here early, because official sunrise was 3 minutes ago, and you can see it's pretty much no color. Color's gone, it's dead. I wanted to try and walk back down this way and see if I could still see them. I was taking some photos of a root system on a tree right up here. And right here, there were two baby sharks swimming around looking for something to eat. And they couldn't have been more than 2 or 3 feet long at the most. They were tiny. I could see just out about 50, 75 yards was mama shark, kind of swimming around too. There was a couple dolphins too. You always see the dolphins out here. But it was kind of cool to see the sharks come up so close to the shore. But yeah, really good time this morning. Beautiful, beautiful sunrise. I hear the drone. Mike's up there flying around, getting some, I think he's flying. So I think he's flying over to, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's an island. It's like right over there. But he's flying over there to find out how you can drive on the beach out there. I didn't know there was any beaches around here that you could drive on. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't get a whole lot of video this morning. Didn't want to wake up too early. And then of course, shooting video early in the morning is kind of blah. Wanted to get a little video so I could put something with these photos to get on the YouTube so you guys can see what I'm doing. Trying to get more content created. That's why I got this this GoPro, so I can have a quick solution just to walk around with that's got good steady video. So hopefully this I got a really cool one of this tree. The sky was all lit up, but I got a really good one of this tree. It's pretty cool. I think this tree right over here, got a good one of that too. Got some good panoramas. Using the Nikon 19mm tilt shift, doing 5-shot panoramas with those. I did a 3-shot last week, and for whatever reason, had some kind of artifacting in between. Should have had enough overlap, but just to try and combat that moving forward, I'm gonna do 5 shots from now on. So hopefully it turned out pretty good. There's Kevin. He showed up late. This is the ground crew. Everybody say hi to the ground crew. Call them the ground crew because they're sitting on the ground.
She actually expected me to PayPal her.
All right, so I'm back in the office now. I've had the opportunity to go through the photos, and I'm pretty pleased with what I got this morning. Like I said in the video, it's a good thing we showed up early, because it was the earlier shots that really turned out well. The first shot being the 3-shot panorama of the standing tree, and then the second one being the fallen tree that was just kind of behind and to the left of that. I did get a third good panorama. I did a vertical 5-shot panorama, so when it's compiled together, it comes out kind of like a square. Turned out really well. Also, I'll stick that in the video. It'll also be on the website and Facebook and all those great places as well. Today was really my first day getting the new Z7 II out in the field and really just kind of playing around with it, starting to get to learn that system. I'm shooting right now on the Z6 II, which I've had since it released. It's a great video camera, but that's pretty much all I've used it for. I've done some portraits with it, but nothing too extensive. I have taken some landscape shots with it, but really the main reason I bought the Z6 II was to kind of get my foot in the door with the mirrorless system, as well as start to kind of learn the system itself. So just a couple days ago, picked up the new Z7 II. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the mirrorless system. I love the fact that it's a little bit smaller, a little bit more easy to tote around than the D850 that I was running around with. I do kind of have it kitted out right now for my daily use, being that I do real estate photography on the regular. I have a small rig frame on here, as well as 2 brackets, Arca Swiss brackets for mounting purposes for vertical and horizontal. But yeah, with the F to Z adapter, one of the last pieces of F glass that I have left. Actually, I only have 2 pieces of F glass left now. I have this 19mm tilt shift, and then I have the Tamron 15 to 30 wide angle. They're probably going to stay in my bag. I know this is going to stay in my bag for quite a while. It's a pretty expensive lens, and it's a very unique lens, very difficult to replace with any other kind of lens, just because of the characteristics of it, what it does. And I don't foresee Nikon putting a tilt shift on the top of their priority list to make for the new Z system anytime soon. It's not on the roadmap for their new lenses anywhere. So that's pretty much it, folks. I will put more of the photos up from this morning. I believe I got 3 good ones in total. Hopefully this video gives a little bit more context to how the morning went as well. Like I said in the video, I am going to try to get more video content out there just to kind of show what it is that I do, a little behind the scenes look at what it is that I do, as well as answer any questions that you may have. As many of you know, I was teaching some classes here in the local area before the virus stuff took hold, and I'd like to keep that going online. It's really one of the main reasons I wanted to start this YouTube channel, was one, to kind of, like I said, give a little backstory on what it is that I do on a daily basis, and 2, to help share the wealth. When I started learning photography, I didn't have anybody hold my hand or really show me the ropes. I kind of had to dig and claw and find things out on my own. It was a pretty long process. So if I could be a word of wisdom or some advice to anybody out there that's looking at getting into the sphere of photography, whatever it may be, I'm an open book. I'm more than happy to share any of the knowledge that I have. If that helps you become a better photographer, then that's awesome. I look forward to helping with anybody's questions. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I do have video from last weekend's trip to Port St. Joe, the Milky Way shots. I have video of that I'm putting together right now. This one was just a little bit quicker to kind of get out, and I thought I'd use this as a kind of a teaser for that Port St. Joe video, but there's going to be a lot of content in that one. It's going to be a bit longer of a video, but there's a lot of stuff that's going to be packed in there I think you guys will enjoy. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to help you guys out. I'd love to hear any feedback. Obviously, I'm used to being behind the camera and not in front of the camera, so cut me a little slack on my camera presence, so to speak. All right, it was good seeing everybody again. Look forward to hearing from you all. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of those things that the YouTubers tell you to do. It really helps me out. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.